Hey there! In this walkthrough, I'll show you the first apartment and new renter setup planner. Moving into your first place is exciting, and also a whirlwind of costs and to-dos that add up fast. This workbook maps out every dollar and every step, from the deposit to the day you're finally settled in, so you can move in without the money surprises. Let's take a look. We start on the Start Here tab. It's a warm welcome that explains how the planner is organized and where to begin, so the whole move feels a lot less overwhelming. The Settings tab is where you make the planner yours, your budget categories, timelines, and the drop-down lists that keep everything consistent. The Move-In Budget tab is the big one. It tallies every upfront cost, first month's rent, security deposit, application fees, and moving expenses, so you know the real number you need saved before you get the keys. The Setup Shopping tab covers all the little essentials a new place needs, the cleaning supplies, kitchen basics, and everyday items that quietly add up to a surprising amount. The Furniture and Big Buys tab is for the larger purchases, the bed, the couch, the desk. You can plan what to buy now versus later, so you furnish your place without blowing the budget in week one. The Utilities and Accounts tab keeps track of everything you need to set up: electric, internet, water, and renter's insurance, with what's connected and what's still pending, so nothing gets forgotten on move-in day. The Monthly Budget tab looks past the move to everyday life. It maps your rent, utilities, and living costs against your income, so you know your new place is truly affordable month after month. The Roommate Splitter makes sharing simple. It divides rent and shared bills fairly and shows who owes what, so money never becomes an awkward conversation with the people you live with. The Apartment Comparison tab helps before you even sign. Line up a few places side by side on rent, location, and features, and let the numbers help you pick the right one. The Move-In Timeline lays out the whole process as a checklist, from giving notice to changing your address, so every task happens in the right order and on time. Finally, the dashboard brings it all together: your total move-in cost, what you've saved, and what's left to do. So one glance tells you exactly how ready you are. And that's the full planner. It works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so you can plan your move from anywhere. The link to grab your copy is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and congratulations on the new place.